spider. Glue, and then if you like a new glue, put it here, and then it's spider. Spider. And the fall. The fall is sticky. So the glue. So you make it to make it sticky. How do you need to put it in the table? Make it like this. Or to make it upside down, or do it be sticky in the table. So after it's dry, you need to turn from the left and it comes out like this. And think about how it dries like this. So then it's the hand.
No, time for hands.
Time for hand. And then it's the part of the hand. And it's blue part together. The blue part is together. Blue part. So the color and the color and the color and like the same. You need to do the same color. For spiders, you then make the same color. And then they have spiders. You put it like this. And the hand, put it like this. You glue it then in the hand. There's something on it. So there's something in the top. So you the hand to move. I can put my hand like wait, and then it's shaky. It's shaky in my hand. It's shaky. Glue and glue together. There's another hand. Another hand is red. And the part of it is a circle. The circle part of the hand. There's the part. And then it's a blue part. Do another blue to circle the next circle of sticky. And the glue to it. Put the hand here. Then it's finished. No, it's finished.
Wow. So nice. Can you show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Show it. Show it here. Wow.
Look at Daddy. A spider.
Wow, nice. Nice.
I use glue. I use glue for the spider.
Good.
To make glue, but you see the web inside there.
Thank you so much for this wonderful design of Spidey. Yeah?
Yeah, it's Spidey.
Spidey.
There are another Spidey.
Huh?
There are 3 of them.
3 of them?
Yeah. The names
Mm-hmm.
are Legit Durler.
Uh-huh.
But it's not like a man. Yeah. So it's a Durler. Yeah. Legit Durler. So he doesn't say Legit man, no. Not Legit Durler dress.
Okay.
So the Legit Durler. And then another one, the black one. Red. The black Spider-Man You see the another Spider-Man.
Ah, there is a
Spider-Man,
black and red.
one.
Yeah.
You see the Spider-Man and the red one with blue. A Spider-Man. There's two Spider-Man. One.
Two.
You see the
Ah, okay.
So,
So say bye bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
Make it 10.
Okay. I will make.